Yeko Nkwanta South aya afibia bedu a aya omudi afahye na ho afahye ni du a ukọ ho abayire ye di twi yesi bayire ye sabi ye di dware bayire ni ye di ahyehye ye di aye mpa ukọ na wasaf ayi nkwantafo ahyehye bayire decorated bedsheet atoso pada so a wankasa ukọ bedo mise na mempe bayire ba ayi nkwantafo na kirem bayire dia afibia du asa eye afahye ekoso a efuo anase omo eye famese wo ho ebia bayire no obia de nadwuma eba ho bayire ebu papa enkra krom ha de ebi mu kọ enkwanta ko fa bayire breye ha mayenso yenya bitono fofofo na we na afi we afahye na du so a yedi afahye kama ekrofoforo a edi eye nkwanta anim se omo ni omo ebo abura ewo asaso na chese eye nkwantafo ebo masase sa na nkwantafo ni se sa kro ba kono so ebo masase na chese asam we afahye we na ye heja na se minti me ho ase bia ba mu afahye we aye gidigidi papa na afahye ne koso na teacher ni ba ko a ono ye transfer ne ko kronum kranche eye government school okwa akọcha se ofi nkra ha ni a transfer akọ nkwanta se ko ye teacher ho no no sa minti me ho ase ana se gidigidi ye no koso wa afahye mu no bre ya na se teacher ya ye transfer ne ko ye sa bre wa hwere ne kwa sa so na kromani ba ko ono so ye se ne adedede ne etuo ni ade atoto no okofa na busua adwane afi kro no misro kwan so a na ono so etuo kan na sabre ono so wato na nanom ewonse do ewon kwanta na kromani ono wo kro no ma ono nim ne ekoso nyina nkasa etu na nom tu ewa dansidie ya benya mu nkyeremu yie ewa asemu edi nkomo misro ye ntie no emra sesia.
As you already know about the war going on at Nkwanta in the region, the Nkwanta South District, to be precise. It's a war that a tribal war between two tribes, which is Adele and then Achebe tribe. So initially, what we were told is it's a yam festival celebration that they always celebrate every year. But then this celebration, each and every celebration that counts, it counts with its consequences. So this year, motive for them celebrating the yam festival is to also, install a paramount chief.
Okay.
At Nkwanta South District.
Okay.
But those that wanted to celebrate the festival and also install the paramount chief, according to them, they are the Achebes. They are the Achebes.
They are the Achebes?
Yes, they are the Achebes.
Okay.
They wanted to celebrate the festival and also use the same opportunity to do the instrument of the paramount chief. But then, they are, according to the people from Nkwanta, the Achebes are strangers.
Okay.
They are from somewhere and then came to settle at Nkwanta. So there's no need. They can go ahead and do their celebration of the Yam festival as they always do. But then, to go ahead and do the instrument of the paramount chief, that is where the problem lies. Because it's like when they celebrate, they install the paramount chief, it will be like they are now ruling over the community or the town, or the town is now in their control because of they have the paramount chief. So the Adeles are the owners of the town, or should I say they are in the town. Adeles are also not agreeing or accepting on the celebration because should they actually go ahead and do that, meaning he will now become a slave to the Achebe, which wouldn't be happy, because they wouldn't be happy about.
Okay.
So this even started last year. They celebrated some, and even before they celebrated, a lot of things happened where killing went on. People began to shoot others, even in the farm, with a whole lot of issues. So it couldn't be celebrated properly as it's supposed to.
That was last year?
That was last year.
Okay.
So this year, they set the date about 3 weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken, then that is when the festival has to be celebrated. So when it happens like that, the district director, which is the municipal assembly, so on and so forth, they all came into the picture and was like, no, this phone would not be submitted, which they even took the case to the regional council at Dambai, that is where regional capital is Dambai. So they went and then they withheld the program, like the government has taken their hands on it, that they shouldn't celebrate it this year. So from there, they actually become very serious, very angry that there's no way they can't celebrate it because they've been doing it every year. So why this year they didn't allow them to celebrate the festival? And celebration of these things also comes with some ritual things and stuff. So they all knew, which Adele knew the in and out of it, and then due to that they refuse not to or give them the content because they are even a stranger. So why are you coming to do all sorts of that? And even as I speak with you, some are even saying that some people they even killed last year, some are even in the mock which did not even bury them yet. They should rather come in peace or togetherness and then find means of burying them up. But they rather was ignoring that one and then wanted to celebrate another one. And celebrating it too might also go with another this kind of sacrifice and stuff. So they are not accepting of it. So it brought misunderstanding. And then they drove military men, police officers all over the country, from some are from Tvgh, Sugakopaya, Lau, Bando, and they all came to Nkwanta. So about 3 weeks ago, the town was full with the military men on the grounds. But even though the military men were in town and stuff, but they still went ahead destroying properties, like burning people's houses, people's shops, and so on and so forth.
And to be clear, which group burnt or allegedly burnt those houses and shops?
So this is how the thing goes. Actually, this can come and then burn Adele's house, or when they find out you are an Adele. When they find out you are an Adele, they will then come and get your property burned and destroyed. And then the activists are not many, but Adeles are many. That is it. And when the Adeles also find out that the activists came to destroy something here, then they also go and then retaliate.
Okay.
I hope you get it.
Yes, I get
that. That is how it was going.
Okay.
So due to that, some people in the community begin to move their way due to the conflict misunderstanding. So people begin to move out of that. But the military men were able to storm the ground and then everything was fine. Let me say 2 weeks ago. But just last week, or let me say last week, then it began again.
You mean the weekend, the previous weekend?
Yes. It began again by burning some people's houses.
Oba Tampa Travel and Tour Express Consultancy for na so much. Mr. What boy who say we to Kwayana from Batampana, Onyomo and Ninkomo, Macra.